Imagine having all the magic of a Christmas tree in your home without taking up any floor space. A wall-mounted Christmas tree can give you exactly that. And it's a trend that's becoming quite popular for its practicality and modern charm. Whether you're working with a small apartment, have limited space, or simply want a fresh, contemporary look, a wall-mounted Christmas tree offers a unique alternative to the traditional standing tree. One of the first things to consider is how creative you can get with a wall-mounted tree. Since it's attached to the wall, you can experiment with different materials, designs, and arrangements. You can go for a minimalist approach with just the outline of a tree made from branches, twigs, or even fairy lights, or get more elaborate with a full lush artificial tree that's cut in half and fixed to the wall. The beauty of it is that you can personalize it to fit your style, your space, and your Christmas theme. It's also a fun way to try something new, especially if you're tired of the same old tree year after year. One of the most obvious advantages of a wall-mounted Christmas tree is how much space it saves. If you're living in a smaller home or apartment where every square foot counts, having a traditional Christmas tree can sometimes feel like it's taking over your entire living area. With a wall-mounted tree, you don't have to worry about sacrificing valuable floor space. It's perfect for those cozy spaces where a standing tree just wouldn't fit, or for anyone who wants to maintain a more open, uncluttered feel in their home during the holidays. Another great benefit of a wall-mounted tree is that it's incredibly pet and kid-friendly. If you've ever had a pet knock down a tree or worried about a toddler pulling ornaments off low branches, you know how stressful it can be. With the tree mounted securely to the wall, it stays out of reach of curious little hands or paws. It's a much safer option, reducing the risk of accidents, while still allowing you to enjoy the festive look of a Christmas tree. You can place all the delicate or sentimental ornaments higher up, giving you peace of mind that nothing will get broken or ruined. When it comes to decorating a wall-mounted Christmas tree, the possibilities are endless. You might find that because the tree is positioned against the wall, it becomes almost like a piece of art. You could play with textures by adding ribbon, garlands, or even fabric elements, and mix and match different styles of ornaments. You can go bold with bright colors and big ornaments, or keep it more refined with monochromatic tones and minimal embellishments. Since you're working with less surface area, it forces you to think creatively about how to make the tree stand out and become a focal point in your home. And because it's mounted on the wall, you'll likely want to decorate it a bit differently than you would a traditional tree, making it a fun challenge for anyone who loves holiday decor. Speaking of decorating, setting up a wall-mounted tree can be surprisingly easy. You won't have to wrestle with heavy trees, untangle a million string lights, or worry about whether the stand is stable enough. Most wall-mounted trees come in halves or sections that are lightweight and easy to install. Some are as simple as hanging a few hooks and attaching the tree, while others might require a bit more assembly. Either way, it's usually much faster